Good morning this Thursday, the 25th of September. I'm Max Lacerto, a market analyst here at Bell Direct. Wall Street continued its slide overnight, with all three of the major indices closing in the red for the second straight day. Investors continue to pull back from the AI industry, with Nvidia sliding 1% and Oracle nearly 2%, as concerns about overvaluation persist. The broader market closed down 0.28%, the Dow Jones fell 0.37%, and the Nasdaq ended the session down 0.34%, as the AI slide was countered by a nearly 6% surge for Intel, after Bloomberg reported the chipmaker is seeking an investment from Apple. Europe saw a mixed session overnight. The UK's FTSE and the German DAX both saw overnight gains of 0.29% and 0.23% respectively, while the French CAC fell over 0.5%, and the broader STOXX 600 closed down 0.19%. Now, locally yesterday, the ASX saw its worst trading day in 3 weeks, ending the session with a 0.92% decline. A large catalyst for the drop was the ABS report that consumer prices rose 3.0% in the year to August, which was higher than economists has predicted, indicating that inflation remains sticky. 9 of the 11 major sectors closed lower, with only energy and utilities seeing gains, largely driven by a rise in oil prices. The financial sector took the biggest hit, especially the big four banks, which all slid between 1.5% and 3% on the day. Now, looking ahead to today, the SPY futures indicate the ASX will continue to slide, predicting a 0.47% drop at the open. In commodities, crude oil is trading up 2.9% at $64 and 73 cents per barrel, after Donald Trump ramped up his hawkish rhetoric against Russia, sparking concerns about supply limitations. Gold is trading down 0.62% at $3,740 per ounce, and iron ore is trading flat at $105.50 per ton. And finally, we'll end on some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has maintained its buy rating on Regal Partners and increased the target price from $3.55 per share to $4.10 per share, off the back of a report that the company's end of August funds under management reached $19.2 billion, which beat forecasts. And Trading Central have identified a bearish signal in Champion Iron, indicating that the stock may fall from the close of $4.59 per share to the range of $3.30 to $3.50 per share over a period of 101 days. That's according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have for today. Have a wonderful Thursday, and as always, happy investing.